Hello children, today we're going to be learning about volume and capacity. So to show you what capacity is, fill a glass, okay, or any container with water right to the top, okay? You don't want any water spilling out or overflowing. Now the water that's in the glass that has been filled to the top is the capacity of the container. So it's how much space or water can fill the cup. Now volume is very different. Now I'm just going to pour this out. Alright, so I'm back. You can see that the glass is not full, alright? The water level comes up to here. It's not full at all. So this is what we call the volume, okay? So how much water takes up space inside the cup. Now today we're not going to talk about volume, we are going to talk about capacity. Alright, so for today's lesson, you'll need to look for two containers. Now the best place to look for containers is in your recycle bin. Alright, so I found two containers in my recycle bin. I have a bottle over here and I have a glass jar. So what I want to find out is which container has a bigger capacity. Alright, so what I'm going to do and what you will need for this is a jug of water, alright, or any large container of water. You'll need your two containers, and you might want to do this outside, or you can do it in the bathtub or the sink. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take off the lids. You don't need the lids. And I think I'm going to fill my jar full of water. So make sure you fill it right to the top because we're looking at capacity. All right. So here we go. I'm gonna fill it right to the top. There we go. All right. Now to find out which container has a bigger capacity, I'm actually going to pour all the water from the jar into the bottle. Now do so quite carefully because it can spill out. Oh, did you see that? Well, if the water overflows or spills out, that just shows that the jar has a bigger capacity than the bottle, all right? Which means the jar can hold more water. That's why when you pour it into the bottle, it spills out. All right, now for your activity, you are going to find out which one of your containers have a bigger capacity by doing this water experiment. Have fun, children.